This video I'll just show you real quick, an important update, or an upgrade rather, an improvement to the original design of the car. So right there, as you can see, there's a very inconspicuous, very discreet plug here, and on this filler plug I can put oil on the differential. So what actually happens is, originally the differential just had a plug on it on itself, and for you to actually change the oil you'd have to either remove the gasket or have some sort of suction pump go into it. Have a suction pump and put the pipe inside the differential, suck the oil out, and then use a pipette or a pipe connected to a can or a funnel or something like that outside of the car, and have somebody hold it and then put the oil in. What I did is I just simplified that, and I just removed the oil plug that was on it. I welded a regular pipe elbow from a Home Depot Auto Parts, connected a brass barb so that I could put a hose, and I ran a hose through this here. I just bolted this flange on it, and then a regular pipe fitting there. So I'll just go underneath here. I don't know if you'll get to see it. So it's a bit dark, but there's the pipe there. As you can see, it goes up there. It's a bit dark, but there's the pipe there. Just nothing fancy, nothing difficult. So now I can just monitor, and I use the transparent pipe so that I can actually see how much oil is inside. But there shouldn't be a problem overfilling this. It really isn't a big deal. But what you can't do is, you can't really close this fully. What I think happens is it gets pressurized if you put too much oil in it, and then it might start leaking at the seals. So you got to be careful. If the car is hot, you ran it a while, then you remove this, and you have too much oil, and then oil actually gets pumped up here, and it goes all over the place. So, but there are slightly different ways that you can do it. But that's my improvement there. And then similarly for the transmission, there's no dipstick, no way to check the transmission oil. So I did the same thing. I just ran a pipe from the transmission. It's got to be flexible, by the way. I just ran a pipe and then put a filler plug on a flange, and then you can just put in transmission oil through here. You connect, you move the seat forward. I move the seat forward, put a funnel here, press it tight so that I don't have to, so that the oil doesn't go all over the place. Put new oil in. So I think it's a pretty cool improvement.